Tā čūri atrodamies uz akmens tilta. Ejam klāt pie margām. Un pasteigums. 45,000. 10 reizes pārsniedz fonds. Šodienas rekords. Mazā Trokšņa iela. Pretī Jēkaba katedrāle. Un stūra. 140,000. Nu, šī ir tā plāksne. Mazā Trokšņa iela. Rīgas fotonikas centrs. Mana vecā darba vieta. Typical inside old Riga building. Typical over granite. 20 photos. Atslaukums. Pie strēlnieku pieminekļa tuvojamies. Strēlnieku piemineklis nav pārāk daudz. Minimum 4,000. Putting on the ground. Again, hotspot on the bridge near Lantern. Smallest over water. This is over water on the bridge. 1,000 stairs of the bridge. Home, 10,000. At home, 10,000 exactly. Bathroom. Brick wall at home. Mortar probably too thin. But only one wall, another wall is fine. So probably not bricks, but mortar is responsible.